Good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the 52nd scenario of Apex trigger. In the same trigger we will be using two objects. One is account, another is opportunity. So the scenario is in such a way we have one field on opportunity, that is amount. For instance, we have 5 opportunity, that is O1, O2, O3, O4, O5. We need to update the second highest amount for the opportunity that is available on the description field of the account. So let's see how we will be doing it. In this scenario, we will be considering all the 4 operations. One is insert, one is delete, one is update, one is undelete. So let's start with this scenario. First of all, we will be writing a trigger factory here. So what I will be passing, I will be creating one method and we will be passing all the variables in the same. So let's see what I will be doing. So I will be passing trigger dot is insert, and or we can do trigger dot is update and trigger dot is after. In the same scenario we will be calling the opportunity handler method, opportunity handler method dot what I need to pass here. I need to pass the method that is second highest. Let's keep the method name as second highest. I will be passing two parameters here. One is trigger.new and the other is trigger.oldmap. Why we need a trigger.oldmap here? Since in this trigger our amount will change in two scenarios. Whenever the amount get changed for the opportunity, for example we have 3 opportunities. Let's take a random example. We have one opportunity with 5, we have second opportunity with 10 amount and third with 15. Let's take an example. If we change the amount for second, that is 10 to 10,000, so the second highest opportunity will be 15 in this scenario. So in this way the trigger should get fired. And in some other scenario where the account ID is getting changed, then also we need to proceed with the same changes. So we need a trigger.oldmap as well as new map, not for considering for amount but also for the account ID as well. So we will be seeing later in the stage. So that's why we have taken this. But if I talk about trigger dot is insert or trigger dot is undelete, then we will be performing this operation. Let's add one more bracket here for checking for, and trigger dot is after. Okay, so once we are done with this, what we will be passing same method. And second thing, what we will be adding a null pointer here, because in the insert or undelete operation we don't have the trigger.oldmap. And further, if I go on a third scenario, it will be on for the delete operation. So let's copy this out so that we don't have to write it again and again. So let's paste. So what I will be doing is delete, and I will be deleting the undelete operation from here. So let's remove it from here, and is after. Instead of trigger.new I will be passing trigger.old. I hope everyone is clear with the instance for insert delete, but we will be using one method, that is second highest, and we will iterate it so that it can work for insert, delete and update all operations. Further we had gone in this class, and what we will be doing, we will be calling public static void. What is my method name? That is second highest. Here I will be calling my list of opportunity. I will not only be calling new records here, but old records as well. So we will keep the name as records instead of old records, because in the delete scenario we will also get the old records, as well as if I talk about the new, we will get the new records. So further I will be taking a map of ID versus opportunity, that is old map. Okay, so now further how we will be proceeding. First condition, we will be iterating the for loop here. For opportunity OPR colon records, and first thing is, first condition that we will be checking for, that will be only for update operation, not for insert and delete. So what I will be doing, if old map is not equal to null. By adding this check, I will stop my opportunity in order to fall under insert and delete operation, because they don't have. So we will get a null pointer exception as I was trying earlier. So I also get a null pointer exception, then only I added this check. So this check is important. You are able to see that at 18:16, that is 6:15. So I tried it and my trigger got failed due to this error. So further, after doing this, what I will be doing, I will be iterating my, I already iterated, so I will be adding condition if OPR dot amount account ID, if this is not equal to OPR old map dot get, what is, so OPR dot ID dot account ID. If these are not matching, then what we need to do, we need to proceed with the creating a set for account IDs, for storing account IDs. So we will be storing the account IDs here. Account ID set is equal to new set of ID. Further, let's save it out. So what I will be doing, I will be copying account ID set dot add. What I will be storing here, I will be storing the OPR dot account ID. This is only first case where we are storing the account ID. This is the first scenario for the update. Second is, if what I will be doing, else if next point is, else if is considered there if OPR dot account ID is not equal to null. This is the first check in this. And what is other thing? So I will be copying this out full, and what I will be comparing, instead of account ID, I will be comparing the amount. If amount figure has been changed, if OPR dot amount is not equal to amount of this old map, then also we will be performing the same operation. So we are done with the update operation. Let's proceed with the undelete, delete and insert operation. And let's save it and see if we are getting any issue here. So it is showing one issue. Let's first resolve that issue here. So that is some bracket is missing. So let's compare what is missing here. No, there is no error now. So let's save. I think the problem got resolved. So now I am able to solve this problem. So I think we have a problem in this. So let's check second highest. One bracket is extra here. So let's remove it here so that there is no problem and we don't face any issue in the code. So once we are done with this, now let's try for another case. If OPR dot account ID. So I hope we are inside the for loop. Yes, we are inside the for loop. So what I need to do, if OPR dot account ID is not equal to null, this is for insert and delete operation. If this is not equal to null, and OPR dot amount, if this field is not equal to null. In this case, we will be also be storing account IDs. Why we need account IDs? Because finally we will be fetching the opportunities using this method. Okay, so let's save this out, and once we are done with this, so in this scenario we need a second highest. So second highest is, we will be fetching the nested query of opportunity with the help of account, and we will be getting the second element of array from that. So let's see how we will be doing it. First of all, what I will be doing, I will be doing a list of account So we will not land on opportunity. We will be doing a nested query here. Okay. So what I will be doing, I will be adding account list. Account list is equal to, what I will be doing, I will be querying select ID, comma name, comma description. Since we need description, we will be querying it out, description, comma what we need to update further, description, comma what I will be doing, I will be select ID, comma amount from opportunities. So this is the query that we need to do. Further, what I need to do, order by amount descending, and I will be keeping the limit 2 here. Okay, why limit 2? Because we don't want more contacts, we want a second highest contact, so we will be limiting it to 2, limit 2, so that we don't face any issue further. From account where ID, I think it is creating issue in 2 lines, so let's make it in this 1 line. From account where ID in account ID set. I hope everyone is clear till this point. We are getting 2 opportunities maximum per account, where it is we had sorted the list in the descending order, and we are getting 2 elements, because finally we need a second element from the list. Okay, so what I will be doing further, I will be further iterating this list for account AC final. What I need to do, I need to iterate this list, what I will account list, I will be iterating this list, and further what we need to proceed, if ACF dot opportunities dot size, we have a size method. If the size is greater than 1, then only we need to proceed in this, so we will be proceeding with this. Else what we need to do, if it is less than then we need to update the ACF dot description is equal to blank. Why we are setting it to blank? Because we are working with the insert, delete, undelete, all operations, and if there is no more than 1 opportunity, if the opportunity dot size is not greater than 1, then we need to set the description to this one. And finally we will be creating a list here, that is list of account final update is equal to new list of account. So further what we will be doing, I will be saving this, we will be copying this out, and here ACC final update dot add, but I will be adding ICF this thing. So we are done with this operation, but our main work is pending. We are working on the else scenario. If size is greater than 0, then what we need to do, ACF dot description is equal to the second highest amount opportunity is then I will be adding ACF dot opportunity. Further what I will be adding, I will be using the array. 0 index is the first highest, first index is the second highest, dot amount. Okay, so let's save this out and check if our trigger is working or not working. So let's save this out. I think we got some issue, that is it should be opportunities, because we are querying the opportunities here. So let's copy the opportunities here and let's check it now. I don't think that it will give a issue again, but let's save. Yeah, we are done with this. So let's proceed with the testing of trigger. So I have created this, that is my account, this one. So I haven't created any opportunity, I have one opportunity. So let's keep it 5 only. So next is I will be keeping it the amount as 500, that is 500 final. And let's keep the amount as 500. And let's update the stage to something, because we need to update this stage, and let's save this out. So once we are done with the 500, so now the 5 amount should get updated on the account. So let's see here if the description has been updated. So let's move here. So let's refresh this page, so that our account page get refreshed. Let's go here and the detail. So it doesn't get updated. My bad. So why didn't it get updated? Oh, I haven't done the DML operation. Yes, we missed the DML operation. Without DML operation, nothing will happen. So I was expecting and I was expecting a wrong answer here. So what I will be doing, if this ACC final update is not empty, then what we need to proceed. If this is first, let's check if we are out of this for loop. Yes, we are out of this for loop, and further this is for method, and this is. So what we need to do, we need to update ACC final update. So let's save this out. Once we are done with saving of this record, what we will be doing, we will be creating, let's make the changes in the update operation. So let's do one thing, in this opportunity where we have kept the amount as 5, where is the opportunity tab? Let's make it 50. Let's make it 50, or let's make it 5000. Let's make it 5000. So I will be making it 589, something like this. Okay, so let's 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let's save it out. So once we have saved this out, so let's check on the account if the amount get updated here. So now it should get updated. Let's refresh the page and let's check. It hasn't got updated. So I think we have done some mistake here. Okay, so I will be doing debugging here. System.debug ACC final update, and let's save this, and let's check if our list is getting created or not. Let's do one thing. First check here, after delete, after update. If after update, then trigger.new or old map, all the things are coming, and insert and delete, everything is coming, and after, yes, everything is coming here also. Let's check if else. Oh, I haven't added the value here, so this line also get missed from my end. So after updating it, not so after updating it, I need to add my element in the list which I forgot earlier. So finally this should work now. So let's save this out, and I think our trigger is working now. So let's make a small change here, on this number. Let's make it decrement by 1. Instead of 5, I will be making it 4, so that our trigger should work. So let's save this out. So as soon as I save this record, and if I click on the account, then my amount has been updated to 500. So it should be added with the space So let's add the space here, and let's do one more thing here. Let's try to delete the record as well. Let's try to delete the 500 record as well. Is my record getting deleted? Is my description getting deleted or not? So let's delete the 500 one, and as soon as I delete the 500 one, again my scenario works, and now if I refresh it, I will be getting the blank field on the description. Yes, this complete our trigger number 52. If you like my content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends in order to make the community more strong. Thank you. Thanks everyone.